This particular video deals with the concept of customer numbering and gives you some guidelines on how you might want to go about assigning and setting up customer numbers. Very early as you utilize a system, you're going to need to come to an understanding of what a customer number is to the system. A customer number is one commodity of one farm of one producer. So if a particular farm if a particular producer grows multiple commodities on the same farm, you do have to set up multiple customer numbers for those different commodities. A customer number then can be a mixture of alphas and numerics. It can have up to 8 characters, and within those 8 characters, each farm each commodity of each farm for each producer must be unique. So within those 8 characters, it must be unique. In order to give you a little bit of an understanding about what we might suggest as you set up your customers, let's take a look at Examine Change Customers and take a look at our list of customers that we've assigned here. At the bottom of this list, you see three different customers: JBAR1C, JBAR1M, and JBAR2C, right? Okay, the producer is JBAR Farms. You notice that the ones both refer to the Westview farm, and one of them being corn, one of them being Milo. You see how we have suggested that you might append the commodity designation at the very end of your customer number. JBAR2 then is a second farm of the JBAR farms that they're using, and it's also corn. So JBAR1 corn, JBAR2 corn, JBAR1 Milo. Let's take a look at JBAR1C just to give you a better understanding of what we're doing. Again, we called it JBAR1 with the commodity code of C at the end. This is the Westview farm, as you see from the customer name. Notice the sort key, because sort key enables you to do things like combining multiple customer numbers together on the same report and getting subtotals and so forth if the report allows for it. We have assigned JBAR-C as the sort key on this Westview Farms. And again, you notice the commodity code is C. Let's go to JBAR2C, and you notice that it's a different farm, the River Road farm, but the sort key is exactly the same. This means that when we do some of this sort key business, those two will come together and we'll be able to see them side by side and get a subtotal of the two, again, depending on the report that you choose. Finally, let's take a look at the JBAR1M, which is set up for the Milo. And again, all we did is append the commodity code as the last one. While this is not absolutely required, we generally suggest that if you are going to have multiple commodities, that you put that commodity code somewhere in your customer number. Could be the prefix, could be the suffix, could be somewhere within it, but just a way of knowing that, okay, on this Westview farm, this JBAR1M is the Milo when we're growing it. Well, I hope this video helps you a little bit as you begin to set up customer numbers, and you can look for additional videos as you progress through the utilization of the system. Thank you.